How to contact Binance customer support. In order to do that, you may follow up these simple steps. So open up Binance on your screen first. And then once you open it up, you should be finding this option. So in the application, in order to contact the customer support, directly in this interface at the top right corner, you should be finding a headphone icon in the middle. Go ahead and tap on that option. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to another page. So wait for the page to load up first. And in this page, all you gotta do in order to contact their support team is, from this given interface, you may scroll down and we have this option of get support in the bottom. Go ahead and tap on that option. And from here, we have this inbox section. All you gotta do is enter up your problems or anything that you would like to ask for the customer support of Binance in the search or ask question and hit send. And once that is done, they will go ahead and assist you with your problems in Binance. Apart from that, you can also directly use the browser. In order to do that, you may open up a browser first. And then from there as well, you may type in Binance support in the search bar and head over to the support center of Binance.com. And then once you go ahead over to the browser, follow the same process in order to contact the Binance support team, and they should help you with your problems. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.